Are you ready to transform your career and make a difference? Meet Ignacio Duron, a man driven by teamwork and responsibility. Growing up in North Hollywood, he learned the importance of discipline through sports. But his journey took him from the football field to the plumbing trade. At Most Valuable Plumber, Ignacio and his team grew the business with integrity and hard work. They started with limited resources but built a reputation for honest service. Ignacio leads the company as CEO, balancing operations and hands-on work. He believes in lifelong learning. With an associate's degree in business administration and economics, he is deepening his expertise with a bachelor's degree in business law. But it doesn't stop there. Ignacio devotes his free time to coaching youth sports, giving back to the community by helping young athletes build confidence and discipline. What does productivity look like for Ignacio? He plans his day early, focusing on one task at a time. Ideas come to life through gradual testing, not overwhelming launches. And he emphasizes the importance of keeping a notebook to remember vital information. He finds excitement in the trend of young people returning to skilled trades, craving meaningful work. According to him, small businesses thrive by embracing discomfort. So, he advises honesty in all conversations, whether with his team or customers. When the pressure builds, Ignacio takes a break. Moving his body, be it through a walk or a quick shot on the basketball court, helps clear his head. For Ignacio, listening to customers has been crucial for growth. He learned from early mistakes of hiring too quickly, understanding the value of fitting values over merely filling positions. If you're looking to grow in your career, consider hosting local trade mentorship nights. They provide an opportunity for students and parents to explore the trades without pressure. Utilizing Google Calendar, Ignacio maintains balance in work, family, and coaching. His favorite learning comes from real-life podcasts about leadership and trades. Sports documentaries remind him that consistency is key.